Hello and welcome to another demo for one of the Solos features. This demo is for the global site breakpoints. And what is the breakpoints really? The breakpoints are the decision you want to make when your website has three or two when exactly you want them to be collapsed. So here on that side, I have three So if you shrink the screen, and if you notice here, that's it's not been collapsed. Here is now it's collapsed. You see, that's the breakpoint you wanted to set. Some people like it to be set on the size. Some people like it to set on that size. This is a brand new feature. I put it in the theme and it's so easy to use. You just set it, you set it. It's always good to clear cache after you set these kind of things, just to make sure you're on the safe side, or hard cache the browser. So now I set it to 992. If I go here, yeah, as you see, so now it's collapsed with 992. I hope you like this feature and I see you in the next feature. Bye.